So the question now for many is, how do I take Word documents that I may have and put them into Google so that I can access them from any device? We want to be able to change Word documents to Google Docs. So probably the way that I would go about it is go into your drive, and once in your drive, you're going to pull those files in, whether they're in folders or whether they're all just individual files that are on your computer. I'm going to pull just one file in. And what you're going to see is that there is a W next to it, which means it's in a Word version of Google Docs. And you can see that the ending for the title of my document is DOCX. So they put the X on the end so you know that it's not an actual Google Doc yet. So let me find that file. Here it is, and it is in Word form. Now, if I want to use this document, the first thing that I really want to do is change it over to a Google Doc so it's seamless. So I wouldn't go through all of your documents that are Word docs and change them all right now. I'd bring them into Google Drive, and then as you use them and as you open them, remember that we're going to convert them from a Word doc into a Google Doc. And here's how you do that. So we're going to open it with Google Docs. And as you can see, we continue to see that X up here in the formatting. So Microsoft Word format is what this is currently. What we're going to do is we're going to go to File, and we're going to go down to Save as Google Docs. And what this has now done is it has transformed our Word doc version, which we currently have. We still have that, but it's created a new copy, and it is in Google Docs form. So when we go back to Drive, you're going to see that we have two versions of it. We have the Google Doc version, and we have the Word version. And then you can make the call whether you want to delete the Word version or not, or keep both.